Morning. Morning, Haj. Labas na tayo. Ha? Bas? Bas na tayo. Okay. Oh, see. Yes, wait lang po.
A few moments later.
Yan, lalabas pa ba tayo? Nakapatong ka na sa akin? Ha? Ano? Gusto mo pa ba lumabas? Let's go? Let's go? Good morning, guys. Hi, morning. Oh, wow. It's such a beautiful Monday morning. And actually outside here to do some dog walk or walking my dog. And this is the place where I usually let him go. And can't find her. Diyan lang yan, paikot-ikot. So, ganito lang ginagawa namin every morning. Iikot ko siya sa loob ng condo. And this is the only area na I can let her go. Kasi dito kasi walang tao. So, pag naglakad kasi kayo banda doon, medyo may mga tao na. At hindi natin makokontrol kung anong pwedeng gawin ni Hachiko. So, andun siya ngayon. Siguro may ginagawa. Doing her own business, you know. So, lalakad pa kami. Okay? So, I'll show you around. Morning, Yumi. Good morning. Hi. Sama? Sama? Oh. Go. Go there. Okay. There. Wow, lots of flowers. Flowers on the ground. There she goes. There she goes. Woo! Woo! Steady. Wait. Look. Wait. Look. Wow, very nice. Okay, go. Alright, so every time your dog stops and wanted to sniff on something, let them be, okay? That's the way how they discover their surroundings, alright? That's the way how they explore their surroundings. So, they tend to sniff on almost everything because their smelling receptors are very, very sensitive. So, hayaan nyo lang talaga sa mag-amoy na mag-amoy as long as it is not harmful for them. Let them be, okay? Kaya marami silang inaamoy na hindi naman natin usually nakikita. Okay, let's go. Alright, let's go to the playground. Come on. Go to the playground. Morning. Oo. Oo. Artista to eh.
Hello!
Ito, sakay tayo dito saglit. Up dito, up. Up. Alright. Go down. Right. Come on. Woohoo! Alright. Slide or seesaw? Up. Down. Up. Down. Okay, get up. Get up now. Get up. Let's go. You know what? You want to play more? Let's go. Alright, time to socialize. Okay, friends. Up. Okay, say bye-bye. Okay, let's continue. Cut. Okay. Sniff? You want to sniff? Okay. Wow, beautiful flowers. Look at that. Wow, nice. Okay, come. Alright. Walk. Let's go to your second hangout, okay? Your second hangout. Alright, so this is her second hangout place. This place is much smaller than the other one, but this place she can also walk around freely. I let her go in this place. See? There's a grilling station here. There are actually a couple of poop stations located around our area, so there's no problem. If your dog wants to poop, just bring it to one of those stations. Okay. Look at that, beautiful, gorgeous. Okay, let's go. Well, this is our usual route going back. We pass through the basement parking spaces. Okay, go up. Up. Another one. Up. Wait for me. Oh, katok na. Knock on the door. Hello! Yay! Hey, it's chow time. Don't be shy. Delicious, right? Hey guys, well, ito talaga yung tulugan niya eh, after niya kumain. Ayun! Kala ko natulog ka na. Sunbathing? Oh, sige, wag masyado ha. Alright. That's how we end our day's walk. Alright? So let me just go ahead and give you just a short tip again. Okay? I suggest you always bring, if you don't have a poop scooper, just bring a paper bag or plastic bag. So, basta madampot nyo lang yung dumi niya. Of course, para hindi magalit yung iba mga unit owners sa condominium nyo. Pick it up, alright? And secure nyo lang siya, and afterwards, tsaka nyo na lang itapon. Okay? And, oh, by the way, my channel's name is Random Noks. Alright? So, if you like what you've watched, and if you want to see more, so subscribe lang, alright? Well, hope to see you soon, okay? So, bye!